So let me tell you about the process. The process starts with local area landscapers, homeowners, municipalities, and waste haulers coming up to Lake Bluff and bringing us their raw organic waste. And organic waste is, for our purposes, are leaves, grass, and brush, and woody material, ground up wood. We take that material at our site and we immediately grind it to reduce its volume. And then once that volume has been reduced, we take it up to our processing facility up in North Chicago. Up in North Chicago, what we do is we lay it out in large windrows. We mix this product, browns and greens. Greens being grass and leaves, browns being woody material and leaves. We mix them in a sort of a proprietary mix that we have. We put them in these large, huge windrows that are currently about 10 feet tall and 16 feet wide, hundreds of yards long. And what we do is we let Mother Nature do her thing. Like any living organism, these piles need air, oxygen, and they need water. And so what we do is we monitor their temperature, and we monitor their oxygen, and we monitor the amount of moisture in these piles. And that sort of gives us clues when to turn the piles out. If you graft it, the microbial activity that's going on in those piles heats it up, and then will continue to stay warm for a rather lengthy period of time. Once you begin to see the pile cool, you know that's Mother Nature's way of saying it is time to turn the pile. If you don't turn the pile early enough, you get a condition called anaerobic. The pile goes anaerobic. And then what happens then is it begins to smell. So we have very sophisticated equipment that will allow us to turn this on really kind of in a matter of minutes. Outside goes in, inside goes out. We continue to do that process for about 10 or 12 weeks. After about a 10 or 12 week period, the material gets cool enough, stable, about 100 degrees, and then it's done doing its cooking. Once it is now done cooking, we then move it off the site and then we grind it one more time to reduce its particle size, and then we run it through a screening process. We then take that material and then bring it back to our transfer station where we have a bunch of bins set up. So it's kind of like one-stop shopping for the customer, and our customers are local area landscapers and homeowners. And so they can come in, dump their raw waste, and pick up finished product. We then have bins there that we can load up their trucks or their cars or what have you and stuff, or we can deliver. One of the things I love about it is a completely closed loop system. So nothing goes to waste. All the organic material that's brought in is processed, and anything that doesn't fit through the screens is reintroduced into the current piles, the other piles that we have on site, until their particle size is reduced and that it can be then sold.